Hey, you guys, just want to come on here really quickly and say good morning. Happy Monday to everybody. And I just want to show you, I'm starting to eat super healthy, get in shape again for summer, and just get overall healthy. So this morning I made avocado toast with fresh avocados, my fresh sprouts that are on here, my fresh garden tomatoes, and fresh lettuce out of the garden. And we made some rosemary garlic guacamole. So rosemary, garlic, and avocado, and I will show you guys how to do that in another video. Very good. We have some fresh local raspberries and some fresh local mango. So I got these at the farmer's market the other day. But everything on here, sourdough bread I bought and in the store. That was the only thing. Haven't made sourdough bread since I've been back, but going to do that soon too. So just wanted to say a quick good morning and easy breakfast, healthy breakfast. Hope you guys are doing well, and I will see you guys soon. Thanks for watching.